Tonight for dinner, I'm going to have these Chipotle bacon jalapeno bites. They're green jalapenos filled with Chipotle cream, cheese, and broccoli. They are new. They're from Chili's. And I bet you this one, if you look at the bowl, it's in the middle. So it's not the boldest, but it's bolder than bold. So let's see, 4 bites are 270 calories. Don't know how these are going to work for dinner, but we'll give it a try. There's kind of the other stuff. Kick off any snacking occasion with Chili's, delivering a big bowl of flavor in every bite. So we shall see. It does have microwave directions. I'm actually going to do them in the oven. So I've got my oven preheated. We're going to place it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. And place it on a metal oven rack. Bake for 13 minutes. Turn them over halfway through and let steam run. So I'm going to do them for like 7 and 7 or so. Something like that. So we'll get these in the oven. Well, I can let you see what they look like. I think they're in a bag, so let me give you 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, here's the bag, and I cut them open. They look like little chicken nuggets, honestly, but they're really thin. So anyway, I'm going to get these on this tray, and then I'll get them in the oven. Tammy's going to eat some of these with me, so that's why I'm getting so many of them. So anyway, I'll be back when they come out of the oven. Okay, here's what they look like out of the oven. Just put them on a plate. And I'm going to turn my camera over to Hey, I'll probably have to cut one of these open and let it cool off, honestly, before I eat it. But anyway, this is what they look like straight out of the oven, and they got a nice crispy shell. They're a little softer than I thought they would have been, but they look pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna pile some of these up. Let's cut this one open right here. That's what they look like. And I see the steam coming out of it. Looks like you got some breading, jalapeno, and then it's got some of the cheesy type stuff. It says it has a Chipotle cream, cheese, and bacon filling, so that's what that is. It's not too awfully bad. They're definitely spicy. It's a lot. They're definitely spicy. I mean, you are eating a piece of a jalapeno. The Chipotle adds that little of a bit of a smoky, which is what I like them to be, a smoky flavor. I don't really taste the bacon a lot. Well, yeah, I do taste the bacon too. It's a mixture between that bacon and the Chipotle sauce that kind of mixes together and gives you a really smoky flavor. Those are really good. Like I said, I'm kind of eating them for dinner. I don't know if this makes the best dinner in the world, but because it's really not a dinner type food for me, but it would be excellent if you're having a get together and you serve those on a party platter. The bad thing is I think they would taste really not as good if they were cold. If they were like room temperature, I don't think they would taste as good hot. They're really good. Flavor you can't beat though. What do you think?
I think they're good, smoky. Like you said, they have a good smoky flavor, but you get the heat. Right. I think if you had like a group of people over and you're watching a movie or you're watching a game or you're playing cards or something like that, you could, serve them hot, like you said. I don't think they would be good cold, but they're good. Kind
of reminds me of a hot banana pepper a little bit, the breading and stuff.
Right.
This doesn't have that smoky flavor that those don't, but they're good. I would give them a 4 at least because the flavor, there's nothing wrong with the flavor. It's just in context, it's more of for a party or something. Of course, it is an appetizer type stuff. So, so anyway, hopefully that helps. Hopefully that makes you help a decision if you want to buy these. If you're having a party or get together and you like a little spicy stuff, get them all day long. Thanks for watching.